This week we make a perfectly balanced tiki cocktail from Smugglers Cove in San Francisco. Stick around.
It's still freaking cold out.
Need a tropical drink to warm the insides.
Oh, I know the perfect one.
Huh?
Yeah, it's like one of those ones that's got like 2 names.
Oh. Bali Bali?
Nah. Chi Chi?
No. Lovely Lovely?
Nui Nui?
Aku Aku?
No. Pago Pago?
Nah. Wiki Wiki?
Nah. Honey Honey?
Nah. So even though the festive cocktail season is over, it's still very cold out. So what better time to transport ourselves to warmer climates with a modern tropical cocktail? This week's recipe is an original concoction from award-winning bartender Stephen Liles from San Francisco's powerhouse rum and tiki bar, Smugglers Cove, and he calls it Rongo Rongo. Now, if you've been watching the channel, you know that we're big fans of that spot.
Here we are, Smugglers Cove.
So it promises to be an amazing drink. Stephen combines, in my opinion, a perfect balance of citrus, sweet, and spice, using both pineapple juice and pineapple rum, that spicy Plantation OFTD, cinnamon syrup, and Angostura bitters, and then the classic lime and aged rum combo to make what should be an incredibly flavorful, robust cocktail. All right, let's start with the citrus with the 3/4 ounce of lime juice and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Now we'll get into those spices with 3/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup. And we'll continue that with a dash of Angostura bitters. Keep in mind, 2 dashes of this equals 1 dash of actual Angostura bitters. And now we dig into that sweet with an ounce of Stiggins fancy pineapple rum. We're gonna move on to that ounce of aged rum. We're gonna use Mount Gay Black Barrel in this case. When deciding what to use for your aged rum, just keep in mind that something like Jamaican might be a little bit too funky and interfere with the nose too much. And finally, 3/4 ounce of OFTD to kind of circle back to those spice notes. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. We're gonna add a couple ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Gonna shake this up for about 10 to 15 seconds. It'll help froth up those juices. Also just sounds cool. Now, Stephen Liles says to serve this in a footed pilsner glass, but in lieu of that, you could do it in a Collins, or in this case, a tall tiki mug. I'm gonna serve this over crushed ice. And now, just strain it in. There we go. Now we're gonna just garnish this with some pineapple fronds. Stick a straw in. And there it is, Rongo Rongo. Let's give this bad boy a try. Yes, as predicted, this thing is so good. It's really full-bodied with those juices really rounding out the middle. You get that cinnamon syrup, I think, right on the front, and then that OFTD spice right on the back end with that other rum sort of like rounding out the middle. It's really an excellent, truly award-winning cocktail, this one. Big shout out to Stefan Foisy and their Instagram channel for bringing this drink to our attention. It's fantastic. And if you enjoyed this episode, please consider giving us a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on future recipes. And until next time, cheers. Rongo Rongo, more like righto righto. Oh, God, come on, you love it. Postcard, baby! Alvarada!